This brief presentation will share some information about short-term care health planning for small groups, an option that we believe is well worth considering. Hi, my name is Jesse Sloan, and since 1998 I've served as the Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Our organizations do not sell insurance directly. We represent agents and brokers who do. If you have questions after watching this video, please speak to the insurance agent who sent you the link. If you're not working with one, please call us. We'll be only too happy to connect you with a specialist. Most of our healthcare needs tend to be short, and I'm not talking about overcoming a flu or a cold which lasts a couple of days. I'm talking about serious healthcare needs. So 37 million Americans will have an accident of some sort every year. That's what's called a medically consulted injury. About 13 million will have serious falls. About almost 4 million will be involved in a serious car or transportation accident. The top 5 reasons for a short-term disability insurance claim are pregnancy, injuries, joint disorders, and cancer. The types of situations that don't last 2 or 3 days, but they also don't necessarily go beyond a year. But health insurance, Medicare, and other traditional things that we look to when we have those kinds of conditions have gaps. Not all care costs are covered. And that's why there's a form of insurance protection that few people are aware of. It's typically referred to as short-term care insurance. A lot of people will refer to it as recovery care protection because that's what it does. It provides benefits that enable you to recover when you have one of those types of accidents, injuries, health conditions that can last for a serious period of time, but not for necessarily much more than a year. These coverages provide up to a year of benefits, and there are a lot of different products on the marketplace today, but they generally will range from policies that will provide home care coverage to policies that will even provide coverage if you need it in a skilled care facility like a nursing home, an assisted living community facility. Some will provide prescription drug reimbursement. Many of them are issued up to older ages, so well past when you apply for Medicare. They will be issued for people up to almost age 80. One of the nice features of these policies is that they often have a 30-day deductible period, so that might be a period of time when some other plans might cover, but they also offer a 0-day deductible option. That means when somebody needs care and they qualify for it, they can get benefits right from the get-go. Many small groups find that these recovery care or short-term care insurance policies make an ideal and very affordable voluntary benefit to offer to employees. Companies will offer discounted rates even for small groups. Some will offer simplified health underwriting, which means that employees, even if they have some health conditions, are more likely to be covered. Some have the same pricing for single women as they do for single men. So with traditional long-term care insurance, as an example, single women actually pay more because they're at higher risk for typically these kinds of claims needs. And we talked about that they will be issued, some of the companies will issue up to much older ages, and many will offer it as a voluntary benefit, which means that the employee has the opportunity to pay all of the costs. So, after watching this video, if you want more information, your next step is to request information and comparison of the different types of benefits that are out there and the different costs. And the way to do that is to talk to the insurance agent who shared this video, or if you came upon it on your own and you'd like to be connected with a short-term care insurance group specialist, please call our organization at 818-597-3205, and we'll be only too happy to connect you with one. Thanks for watching.